And now viewers, on to the indigo crisis that we have been witnessing in India for over a week now. A major clarification has now come in from Indigo's top leadership. In a video message, Vikram Singh Mehta, who is the chairman of Indigo's board of directors, has now strongly refuted allegations that the airline in fact engineered the recent chaos to influence government regulations. Mehta here called the rumours incorrect and misleading, dismissing conspiracy theories that Indigo tried to bend rules, compromise safety or even bypass board oversight. He stressed that the airline has fully complied with the pilot fatigue and duty time regulations since the new norms came into effect, both in July as well as again in November. Remember, the second phase of rollout was something that came into effect in November. Now, he also reiterated that Indigo did not attempt to bypass any safety-related rules and said that the airline's long-standing record on safety remains unblemished. Now, crucially, Mehta also said that severe disruptions seen last week were not the result of any deliberate action by Indigo and therefore should not be interpreted as an attempt to create pressure on the Indian government. Now, viewers, this message from the chairman comes as the airline continues efforts to stabilize operations across India after days of mass cancellations and delays.
On 3rd December, an unexpected chain of events led to large-scale flight cancellations. This continued into 4th and 5th December. Thousands of our passengers were left stranded. Many missed important family events, business commitments, medical appointments, and international connections. Baggage was delayed or misdirected. I know how much distress this has caused. I want to say very simply and very clearly, we are sorry. For the last several days, I have been urged to make a statement. However, I chose to wait because the board and I felt that our first duty was to support the CEO of Indigo, Peter Elbers, and his team, restore operations and help passengers who were affected. Peter has already announced that operations are now stable. Today, we are operating over 1,900 flights. All 138 destinations are connected. On-time performance is back to normal high levels. With this stability achieved, I feel this is the right time for me to speak. I know an apology cannot make up for missed events, long waits, or the stress many of you have experienced. But it is important for me to express our regret and acknowledge the disruption you have all faced. We did not meet your expectations during those days, and for that, we are truly, truly sorry.
Now, meanwhile, viewers, the aviation regulator DGCA has now summoned the Indigo Chief Executive Officer Peter Elbers on Thursday and asked him to present a report detailing data and updates on the airline's ongoing operational disruptions. Now, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation also asked the Indigo CEO to present information about operational passenger services as well as the status of network-wide restoration efforts, the progress being made in connection with accommodation, affected passengers, as well as the measures being taken to prioritize vulnerable travellers, including the elderly and those with medical needs and unaccompanied minors.